Okay, now once we've done that, we want to go ahead and put some text here. Let's say ja 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 ja. How about that? That'll work. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and save as link.html. Remember HTML. All files. And then save. Make sure when you do this, everything has to be in the same exact folder as the first whatever you're doing. So basically, if you have a home page, then if you have any images on that home page, which I'll show you guys how to add images this tutorial a little bit later, then it's basically all going to have to be in the same exact folder. So once we go ahead and save that, we can go ahead and link this. We can delete this and say link.html. Then if we press save and head on over to Google, we can press refresh and then click on hello, then ja 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 ja. Okay, if we press back at hello, and as you see there, that's basically how link works. You can use this with anything, and I'll also show you guys how to do images, linked images. So let me first show you guys how to do images. Basically, how to add an image, what you're going to do is you're going to say image src, and img is short for image, by the way, equals, then you're going to basically find whatever image. So I'm just going to say, let me find an image that I have actually. Okay, I found one. Make sure you know the URL. So back RG, I think it was. Let me go ahead and check that again. Yep, back RG .png. Go ahead and okay. Now let's go ahead and close that off. This tag actually does not need a closing tag. So let's go ahead and actually, just like I said, it needs to be in the same folder. I'm sorry about that, guys. Gosh, man. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and cut that. You guys can go ahead and skip forward a little bit if you want, or I'll just edit this out. I don't know. I might be too lazy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and paste this. Okay, go ahead and save. Once you've saved this, go ahead over to our webpage and press refresh. As you can see, welcome to Omega Games Jumpstart Studios, and hello. As you can see, we just added an image. Now, if you want this image to be a link, here's what you have to do. Let's head back to our IDE. Basically, all you have to do, this is basically all you have to do. href equals, let's go ahead and put this a hashtag in there again, because again, we don't know what page we want it to go to. Actually, let's link it to link.html since we already have one. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and close off A again. Save. Then let's go ahead back to the page. Refresh. And as you can see, if we press that, ja 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 ja. And basically, we have two links here now. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? So, now, for the last thing I'm going to show you guys this tutorial. This is basically pretty cool in my opinion. It's called Marquee. You may have heard of it. This is basically what you do. Here, I'll go ahead and we can put it here. And it's spelled M-A-R-Q-U-E-E. Basically what this is going to do, this is going to let the text move horizontally. I can't say that word, sorry. Across the screen. Marquee. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and save that and head back to the page. Refresh. And as you can see, we have moving text. How awesome, right? Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. You know what? I'll get into some divs this tutorial, just as a treat. I'll go ahead and show you guys some divs. So basically, let's go ahead and decorate this. A div basically is like a background. You can have a background, you can have basically, you can make almost anything with the div really. So we can call this div style. So I'm not really gonna, I don't really want to get into too much CSS right now. So we can say div style equals width. We can set that to auto because the text is going to be moving across the div. So we can set that to auto. Make sure to put a semicolon. Then we can put height. How about 20 pixels? Background color. We can say CCC. Let's go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to make sure to close off your div here. Then let's save that. Head over to Google. Refresh. And way off. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I see what I did wrong. Sorry about that. We're gonna have to add this here. Make sure you add this right here. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, save. Let's go ahead to Google. And as you can see, it's a little bit too small. Let's go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. How about 50 pixels? Which is probably way too big. Go ahead and add a break here. See if that helps anything. Alright, let's go ahead and refresh. And there you see it, sliding across the div. We can go ahead and give that div a border. Make it look a little bit better. Border. And this is how you do a border. Border is basically, I hope you guys know what a border is. It's just basically what's around whatever you have. So border, we can say 2 pixels, solid, black. How about that, guys? Go ahead and save that. Come back here and refresh, and you see there's a border here. And if you want to make that round, the border round, then all you have to do is border radius, and I just spelled radius wrong. Okay, oops. And set that to 25 pixels. Then we can say Moz radius. Set that to 25 pixels as well. Press save. Then we can go ahead and head back over here and refresh. Now you see it is round. The corners are round. You can also add borders to pictures as well. And well, that's it for this tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have the next tutorial up hopefully tomorrow or so. Thanks, guys. Bye.